Welcome back, everyone. Today I'll show you exactly how you can start earning DOGS tokens effortlessly using nothing but your Telegram app. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to set everything up, maximize your earnings every day, and tap into some lesser-known tricks to make the most of the opportunity. Whether you're new to crypto bots on Telegram or you're already dabbling, I promise this will break things down simply step by step. Ready to begin? Let's dive in. First things first, you need to find the official DOGS bot on Telegram. It's super important to use the official one to stay safe and make sure you're actually earning real DOGS tokens. Once you've located it, go ahead and click Start. This lets the bot know you're ready to interact and will instantly bring up its main menu and daily tasks. That Start button might seem simple, but it's actually your gateway to the entire earning ecosystem with DOGS. Next, you'll want to link your TON-compatible wallet. If you're not familiar, TON is the blockchain that powers these types of tokens. Wallet options like TONkeeper make it super easy, and you'll notice a Wallet Connect section inside the bot. Connecting your wallet is not just a technicality, it's how you actually receive and store your tokens securely. Plus, some bonuses and rewards don't unlock until you've linked your wallet, so don't skip this if you want to get the most out of your efforts. If you need to set up TONkeeper, just follow their quick start guide, it's very user-friendly. Alright, now that your wallet is connected, you're ready to start earning day to day. Head to the bot's task section where you'll find daily tasks waiting for you. These are designed to be quick and easy, sometimes as straightforward as clicking a button, watching a message, or following a basic instruction. The more active you are, the steadier your stream of DOGS tokens will be. Think of these daily tasks like brushing your teeth, not glamorous maybe, but over time, those small habits stack up into real rewards. Want to accelerate your earnings? Check out the referral program. Inside the bot, you'll find your unique referral link. Share this with friends on your social media or even in group chats. For every new user who joins and starts using the bot through your link, you get bonus DOGS tokens. It's like building a little team where everyone benefits, and it can really add up, especially if you know people curious about crypto earning. There's another simple way to grab some extra tokens: social engagement. The DOGS bot often gives small rewards for joining related Telegram channels like Notkin or Blum or following their ex-Twitter accounts. These tasks are just a few clicks, and while each reward might seem small, remember, it's all about compounding over time. Here are a few extra tips to help you earn as much as possible with minimal effort. Stay active. I know life gets busy, but popping into the bot once a day to complete daily tasks or social actions keeps your earnings growing. Also, keep an eye out for special events. Sometimes the DOGS team runs limited-time promo tasks or events with bigger rewards. Don't worry if you miss a day, you can always pick back up where you left off. One more thing, if you don't have TON in your wallet to pay tiny transaction fees, Telegram stars can sometimes cover those costs. Several users, especially from Facebook communities, mention that you can use Telegram stars instead of TON. This is handy if you're just starting or don't want to purchase crypto right away. And that's it. With just a few minutes a day, you'll be earning DOGS effortlessly. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to hit like, and if you have any questions or tips, drop them in the comments below. I love to hear your experiences. Subscribe for more hands-on guides, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Happy earning!